What I'm going to talk to you about today is the JLAB Epic Mini keyboard. It connects to your device via this USB-C dongle. It's not a USB, it's a USB-C. And I tried this on both my iPad and my iPhone, and with cases on, this does not connect. It's a very short connection, so keep that in mind if you have a case on a device. Weight-wise, it's got some weight to it. Here's the back. This will enable the keyboard to be rested up. This is the front. I wouldn't say it's a squishy key, but it's also not a hard press, and pretty sure you can hear that, but it is something you'll hear. So if you're a gamer, this probably isn't the best for you, but let's see how well it connects. So you turn the unit on, and then you press this button right here to trigger the connection, and then one of these to trigger either one, because you could have 3 different devices. One of these will trigger the Bluetooth to connect. I'm going to connect it to my iPhone, pair it. It says it's paired. You see here that I'm not touching my keypad at all, right? But I am typing here. So there we go. It's very responsive. Totally. Very responsive. Loads the web page right up. Basically 0 issues to get that all connected, which was kind of trippy. It is the JLAB Epic Mini keyboard. The battery life is decent. It is a wireless device. I do like this here because it raises the keyboard up so it's not 100% flat. It'll travel with you easy, and then this here can control volume and such. So overall, a solid buy. Get yourself one.